Okay, so in the last video, we went from looking like this to a car that looks like this. However, that wasn't the full story. There is still something, as I said in the last video, not quite right with this car. I mean, if you spotted it, let me know down in the comments, but let's go over that now. So, as you can see, this is an automatic. But Mazda don't make an automatic in the soft top version. Fluffy paddles. Okay, Mazda don't not make an automatic MX5 Cabernet with flappy paddles. So what's going on? Dash and the CMU and the VIN number are all Japanese, as I found out. So this is in fact a JDM car. So the car only speaks Japanese, the infotainment's in Japanese, there's bits of the dash which are in Japanese. I've had a look at the replacement CMU unit for the infotainment, and we're looking at the time of, when we got the car, £400 or £500 for a second-hand one. So yeah, what we're going to do. Okay, so there's only one thing for it. So then there's this. And this. What does that mean? Hello, can I help you? This is Mazda dealers down south. Oh, hello. Yeah, I'm just calling up because I've got a Mazda MX5 that it seems to be a bit different. So I'm wondering if you could help me with that. Oh yes, could you tell me what you find a little bit strange about the car? Yes, it's I mean it's actually an automatic, and I understand that Mazda don't actually sell a soft top automatic. Yeah, could you tell me a bit more about it? Oh yes, certainly. Would you like to give me the registration number? Oh yes, it's registration LJ6. No, you can't have the car. The car was destroyed. The car was written off. That was destroyed. You can't have the car. I'm sorry, I can't help you anymore. Good afternoon. Oh, I never. As well as only speaking in Japanese, the car has, yeah, the stereo's in Japanese as well. So we can't pick up any stations because I haven't got an aerial that big or a satellite to mount it off. So yeah, we've got to replace the radio tuner. And also to make it work, because the DAB frequency is different, the aerial's different, so we've got to change some bits there as well. So let me show you that. So there's the replacement stereo now bolted in, and the new aerial cable is plugged into that, and I'll show you where I routed it. Let's have a quick look. These seals just clip off. So yeah, we routed the cable down there under the carpet, through, just goes through there and into the booth. So there we go. It's there's the other part of the new aerial cable plugged in, and I've just replaced that booster there with a one that works for the UK. That's the old one that I've just took out. As you can see, that's the Japanese one. So that doesn't actually work in the UK, so not really much use. A bit like the old stereo as well. So we've hooked up our battery tender. That will keep the battery going. So we won't go for that. We don't want to end up bricking the car, do we? So let's okay, so we've got some instructions here. some procedures. So I'm gonna have a read of them, and we'll get to work on this. So what do we want to do? We want to remove the, yeah, well, we've got to turn everything off, remove the SD card, that's the bit with the maps, any USB devices, yeah, connect to the battery charger. We've done all that, yeah. We've got to switch everything off, no aircon, no brake, no lights, no radio, nothing at all. So I'll do all that, and we'll get on with it. Right, everything's off, memory card is out, and I can, I've verified the sound coming from the speakers. So what we need to do is press the music, favourites and the volume mute at the same time. So, ooh. Okay, so that's, so we've got star should be favourites, mute is over here, and the music button at the same time. So we need to press number 3 and clear the codes. So we need to press number 2 and clear the codes. Okay, so we need to plug properly formatted USB in with nothing on it other than the firmware that we want to flash. Plug it into the USB port, and we should get a message on the screen. Yep, so that has been properly formatted and recognised. Right, then we need to press them buttons again. So we need to press the music, which is that one there, the favourites and the mute to get back into that diagnostic screen. So let's see if I can do this without putting the phone down. Update screen. Yep, there we go. Search for system upgrade dates. Yeah, let's do that. That's what we want. Right, so I've already done an update on this to test it. That's why we're still in English now, but this is the next update, and we want to go with that then. We'll select that. Right, current update. Okay, so now once every 20 minutes I must step on the brake pedal or clutch pedal or open and close the driver's door. Now that is to keep the car alive and to stop it bricking itself. So yeah, let's go for it, and I will get back to you when it's done. I think this could take about an hour, so yeah, I won't subject you to just sitting here for an hour watching this screen. I'll get back to you when it's done. So the update's prepared and it's now starting, as it still says every 20 minutes I need to open the door or step on the clutch or the brake in this case. Yep, 3%. I'll get back to you when we're done. Okay, now we've sold on, we've got to turn it off, lock the doors, walk away for 5 minutes and let it settle. Apparently, I don't know why. Okay, so our 5 minutes is up. Let's go in and see. Okay, that's blurry because that is in fact another project car and will be the subject of the next set of videos. So hang around and see what's going on with that. Okay, so ignition on without depressing the clutch or the brake or whatever. So we're just in the ACC position. Right, now we've got to wait a couple of minutes without any operation to let the configuration to finish, apparently. So be back in a couple of minutes. We've successfully updated The infotainment's all in English. We're good to go. Okay, so what did all this cost? Well, here's the breakdown. Not bad for a car that retails at 31k.